It's too bad Americans aren't more familiar with persimmons, since the Latin word for it means food of the gods. A fruit most often grown in warm, dry climates, those found in larger grocery stores are most likely Japanese persimmons. Persimmon is Japan's national fruit, and that's where it originated. Persimmon seeds first came to the United States when Commodore Perry sent them from Japan in 1856. Today, persimmons are grown in a plethora of varieties in China, Burma, northern India, and Australia. In the U.S., it grows in southern and southwestern states, predominantly California. Persimmons are red-brown or orange fruits that grow on trees like plums and look like a small, rather flat tomato capped by a calyx. The two varieties are stringent and non-astringent, the latter being pleasingly sweet. To avoid bitterness, the paler varieties should be eaten only when very ripe, usually peeled. Vitamin A shows itself to be a powerhouse in nutrition, offering 55% of the daily value in the persimmon. Vitamin C runs a close second with 21%, plus excellent amounts of manganese, a cofactor for the enzyme superoxide dismutase, for healthy mucous membranes and skin, as well as a known protectant against lung and mouth cancers. Persimmons are an excellent source of fiber, which helps keep the body regulated. B-complex vitamins are present to stabilize the metabolic system, along with copper and phosphorus. Low in calories and fats, this little fruit contains all kinds of phytonutrients, flavonoids, and antioxidants, such as catechins, known to have antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties, and for protecting small blood vessels from bleeding, as well as galactocatechins and betulinic acid, a tumor inhibitor. Other powerful antioxidants found in persimmons include beta-carotene, lycopene, lutein, and cretoxanthin. The zeaxanthin content absorbs into the eyes and helps filter light. However, consume persimmon in moderation, because it contains fructose, which may be harmful to your health in excessive amounts. Persimmons are one of a few foods associated with killing breast cancer cells, without harming normal breast cells, according to one new study. Scientists attributed this to the flavonoid physidin, present in several fruits and vegetables, but in persimmons specifically. Physidin also has been named as a significant contributor in the programmed eradication of colon and prostate cancer cells. Procedures. Place the greens in a salad bowl, and top with the fruits and goat cheese. In a small bowl, whisk tangerine juice, mustard, salt and pepper. Whisk in olive oil in a small stream. Adjust to taste. Combine with greens and toss. Sprinkle almonds over all. Serve.